Drivin Ivan here at NTB, and behind me is my Prius. And it has had sort of a common problem with these, the 2010 to 2015 Prius. They tend to start shaking if the spark plugs or perhaps the ignition coils go bad. And my car was doing that. It was shaking immensely, and especially when it was warming up, and especially if it was cold in the morning, it was shaking. And I was getting the codes O302, P0302, and P0304. When they plugged it in, they were getting 1, 2, and 3. So replaced all of the cylinders and a couple of the coils, and now they're cleaning out the fuel system. They put in a bit of cleaner for the gas. So it looks like problem solved. There is a lot of buzz online about, a head gasket issue, and there's talk that Toyota was kind of studying it, and there's one site that had some chatter basically about that and whether it was an issue that perhaps with these Toyota Priuses. But as of right now, I'm going to say problem solved. So NTB has taken care of that for me. Tire Kingdom also in Florida, and basically I like to come here for tires, brakes, and really just anything like that, because they have a nationwide warranty. And if you happen to be traveling a lot like I do, well, maybe I'm down in Florida, maybe I'm up north, maybe who knows, and you have that national warranty. So I like to get my tires and brakes, and I got a 5-year alignment for this car. This is the top of the line Prius for that year, and it is self-driving. It has the adaptive cruise control, and so I really like that factor, and I like driving with adaptive cruise control. So even though I have a lot of cool cars, this is my daily driver. And yes, I think the Prius is definitely the best car in the world. I have a separate video on the Prius, many generations of Prius reviews, and also the Prius C. But despite this little hiccup, I've put a heck of a lot of miles on this Prius, and I actually bought it with 115,000 miles on it. Now it has, well, almost 100,000 more, and the only things I've done to it are change the oil, and I just did the brakes and the tires also. I put a couple sets of tires on it. I didn't really like the last set of tires. I did not do them at NTB here, and I regretted it because I just like having that national warranty with them. I had all sorts of problems with the other ones that I did not get done here, including they didn't even put my lock nut back into the car. It was just a nightmare. So this was another place. But NTB, they have that national warranty, and there you go. Prius with a couple 100,000+ miles on it, well over that, and only oil changes since my ownership at 115,000 miles, and brakes, and also, like I said, a couple sets of tires, and also the rear suspension they recommended I replace, so I did do that. But you never see a Prius on the side of the road. Yes, I have that video. Is the Prius the best car in the world? And I think it is. And I think that while sometimes not perfect, NTB does have a great warranty, and they always make things right if there's an issue. So there you have it. Smash that like button. Check out all my car videos. Just search Drivin Ivan on YouTube and any car. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and on all of my YouTube channels for music videos, disc golf videos, and of course car videos. Thanks for watching. I'm Drivin Ivan.